Kanchanaburi Bridge under the River Quay. And iikot muna kami, bibili daw kami ng pasalubong. Ito yung mga place na makakabili ka ng mga pasalubong. Ito siya, in memory of the approximately 700 servicemen of the United States of America who, as prisoners of war of the Japanese during World War II. Ito siya. Sa Kanchanaburi District. And ito yung bridge. Punta ako dun mamaya sa bridge. Ito yung bridge. Yan. Maraming tao lagi. Laging maraming tao dito, guys. Dito kami sa Kanchanaburi, Thailand. Bridge under the river Quay. Ito yung release ng tren. Ayun si Maymay. Gagala. Doon ako bumili ng aking sombrero, 100 baht. Do you like it? It's nice. It's okay, just buy a lot and then I will give you money later.
I have money.
That one is nice too.
Solo ba ito?
It's cute, look. What's that?
For the head.
Ara?
For the hair.
About this one. This
I want this one.
This one? Okay.
Kasi I don't have boobs.
That's the problem. This one was nice. Think how much is this?
Paano yung kulay? Mabila ko nito ma.
Up to you.
Kaso ano siya? Sulog.
Huh?
Doon muna tayo mag-start.
Ayan ang gusto ko, yung mga dust. Diba, may ganyan din ako noon eh. Diba, wala na.
Bilang kita.
Tapos, ito na yung mga
Gusto mo rin?
ayun na marami, yung ganun. Ay, ito marami din, oh.
Ay.
So, malalaki na yan, oh. Ganyan na lang kaya ibili natin din sa mga, ano, mga lalaki.
Fish, walang naman. Si, lalaki. Wala ba akong makatan ko siya?
Meron din pala dito, oh. Yung una niyang binili sa akin, hindi ko makita. Balanggot, hindi ko na makita.
Ito.
Ay, ganyan, oh. Diba, may ganyan ako noon yan.
Ayun, maganda.
So, ayan.
Hindi ako nag-shirt. Ayun, oh.
Hindi, sige.
Kaso parang kita ang panty mo dyan, ma.
Ay, hindi. That's nice.
Is it nice? Should I buy it?
Up to you. This one too. Like black?
No, I'm already black.
So we're looking for something to buy here. And this one, Mai. I get it's white, right? Remember this white? I have this white.
I really want that one.
Ba na ba this here? Ayun o. Pika.
Gusto mo ganda?
Ayoko.
Para may iba naman. Ginana yan siya, ma. Ginagano.
Saan?
Sa likod.
Tapos,
Yan na eh. Ay, ganito mga gusto mo eh.
siya malaki siya.
Pwede siyang may ano, gano'n no? Sa likod.
Hanap kami ng
Mabiling ko yun.
Oh, balikan na lang natin. Wala eh. Hindi nagtayo. Ano, may mga ganyan oh.
Oh, ganda to.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam kung dress ba to sa pangbaba lang. Pangbaba naman. Diba? Wala pa kasi akong beach outfit.
Punta tayo doon na meron pa doon. Marami. Puti naman anak.
Ma, kailangan ko ng puti.
Bakit?
I just have
Oh, andito na daw yung train. Tingnan muna natin. Tingnan muna namin yung train. Tingnan namin yung train.
或者站在桥的阳台，这是您的安全，谢谢。
ขออภัยค่ะ อีกสักครู่จะมีรถไฟเข้าเทียบชานชาลา ขอให้ทุกท่านโปรดระมัดระวังในการข้ามทางรถไฟ และกรุณายืนอยู่หลังเส้นสีแดงขาว หรือยืนในจุดหลบรถไฟบนสะพาน เพื่อความปลอดภัยของทุกท่าน ขอบคุณค่ะ Attention, the train will arrive soon. Please stand behind the red line for your own safety. Thank you.
小心，现在火车就来了，请你站在红白线的后边，或者站在桥的阳台，这是您的安全，谢谢。
They have a nice, beautiful new train. In Kanchanaburi, Thailand. Okay, let's go there. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Ayun na. Here. Meron. Ayun pa oh. Ito. Ito oh. Ata na. Let's go. Dito kami, no? Dito kami nag-hotel. Diyan kami nag-hotel.
Wala naman madami dito.
Meron. Meron dati, ewan ko ngayon. Matagal naman ako nakapunta dito. Bili kami ng pasalubong sa mga chikiting. Chikiting. Chikiting.
I'm gonna wear dito. Oh, that's so cute. Oh.
This one? Ano ko naman?
อันนี้จะเป็นผ้าทอ
อันนี้เท่าไหร่คะ
350อันนี้120
Lagi.โอเค
อันนี้ก็อันนี้พวกนี้จะเป็นผ้าทอเป็นงานของไทย
จ้า
มีหลายลาย
น่ารัก
เดี๋ยวนะมีลายไทยด้วยที่นั่นเดีย
Kamahal.
กันเนาะ
350. Ano yung samloy hasod na?
เดี๋ยวลดให้300มีหลายสี
Kahit nang nakati na. Ito mga. Tama na yung ganyan, oh.
Yan?
Ganyan lang rin nga ang binigay sa iyo.
Oo nga. Magkano ba yan?
100.
Sandaan ba yan?
Na. Saan?
Ganun na kasi ginabili mo. Iba yun.
Doon, yun sa kabila, meron din. Chicha. Ano mo? Sinusuot. Sige. Wala nang food court dito.